Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Dollar, where we help you turn your free time into real income. Are you curious about how people make money with crypto in 2025? Good news, you don't have to be an expert to start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners can earn from crypto safely and smartly. Stick around to the end, because I'll share one bonus tip that most people miss. Let's dive in. Part 2. How to make money in crypto. 1. Buy Hold, HODL. The simplest way to start is to buy strong crypto assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum, then hold them for the long term. Open an account on a trusted exchange like Coinbase or Binance, complete your KYC, and start with a small amount you can afford. Always use a secure wallet and never invest money you can't lose. 2. Crypto staking. Want to earn passive income? Staking is like earning interest on your crypto. You lock up your coins, for example, Cardano or Ethereum, and get rewards over time. Many exchanges offer easy staking options, so it's beginner-friendly. 3. Crypto trading for advanced users. This is riskier, but more profitable for some. Trading involves buying low and selling high, but you need to learn chart patterns and risk management. If you're a beginner, practice with a demo account first or invest only a small percentage. 4. Play to earn games. In 2025, crypto gaming is huge. You can earn crypto by playing games like Axie Infinity or other NFT-based games. This works well if you love gaming and want to earn extra income. 5. Freelancing getting paid in crypto. You don't always have to invest. Offer your services like writing, graphic design, or video editing on crypto-friendly platforms like LaborX, or accept payments in crypto on Fiverr and Upwork. Part 3. Bonus Tips Safety. Quick bonus tips. Always use 2FA and store your crypto in a secure wallet. Don't fall for scams or fake coins promising huge returns overnight. Learn a bit every day. The crypto world changes fast. And remember, start small and grow with knowledge. Part 2. Strategies. 1. Crypto yield farming. Yield farming is like staking, but with DeFi platforms. You lend your crypto to liquidity pools and earn interest plus rewards. Sites like Aave, Uniswap, or PancakeSwap offer this, but be careful. Rates look high, but risks can be too, so research the platform first. 2. NFTs. Create Sell. If you're creative, design digital art, collectibles, or music as NFTs. Mint them on marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible and earn royalties every time your NFT resells. Start with free or low-cost minting options. 3. Run a crypto blog or YouTube channel. If you love talking about crypto, start a blog or channel. Earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, or sell courses. Many top crypto YouTubers started as regular people, sharing what they learn. 4. Participate in airdrops. Many new crypto projects give away free tokens to build hype. These are called airdrops. You can find them on sites like airdrops.io. Just make sure the project is legit and don't pay anything up front. 5. Masternodes. Masternodes help run a crypto network, and you earn rewards for hosting them. They usually require more upfront investment, but once set up, it's like earning passive income. Popular coins for masternodes include Dash and Zcoin. Bonus safety tips. Voiceover. More advanced doesn't mean less risky, so always remember. Keep your private keys safe. Never share your wallet seed phrase. Spread your investments. And stay updated with legit news sources, not just hype. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Next Dollar, and ring the bell. Want a part 3 with more deep dives or a tutorial on any of these strategies? Comment below and I'll make it for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.